Hi everyone, welcome back to Zenova, and in this video I'd like to introduce you to the money market portfolio. And in this portfolio you'll primarily be using it for putting in cash instruments, CDs, could be short-term treasuries, bill form, anything as far as short-term instruments are concerned, and that's usually 1 year or less, could be entered in here. And they could be entered in as a interest-bearing note, so something with a coupon attached, or selling at a discount in the market, something like a treasury bill, which then matures to par. So pretty straightforward in entering them in. Interest-bearing, day to date is when the interest starts accruing. And then there'll simply be your settle date, maturity date, and what kind of date convention you'd like to use for calculating interest. And on this side over here where the output is, you can see that it will show the original principal, in this case price, because we inputted price, what a discount yield would be, what a money market yield would be. In this case we put in a 1% coupon, and what those interest rates would be, and a bond equivalent yield for actual 360, bond equivalent yield for actual 365, and bond equivalent yield for actual, the redemption, the coupon interest, and then the total that you would be receiving upon maturity. There is an area if you wanted to enable for sensitivity, and you could use anything as far as an input type in terms of a basis, and an input value to calculate sensitivity on this short-term instrument. And there's also an area for putting in and calculating the duration and convexity sensitivity of the underlying instrument. Down below is the portfolio editor. It works the same way it does in all the other modules in terms of setting up new portfolios, naming them, saving them, putting in your short-term instruments into them. So you'll see here I've got various portfolios set up for my cash instruments and what they are. And you will see the grid down below where it shows each individual short-term instrument. It'll also total up when a portfolio is in there. It'll give you your totals in here of the portfolio down below. And there is an overrides area where you could go into and actually, on the portfolio level, look at the duration and convexity sensitivity of those short-term instruments.